P.A.S. Private Tutorials, located in Sheetal, Nagar, in the heart of Mira Road. For SSC, ICSE and CBSE, 5th to 10th standard. Science, 11th and 12th. Classroom facilities. Not more than 20 students to facilitate personal attention. Online tuitions for students. Daily homework and regular test facilities over Zoom, Teams and Jitsi applications. Additional facilities. Free career counseling by industry professionals. Guest lectures by subject matter experts. Special meditation sessions for boosting confidence, enhanced focus and fostering compassion. Professor Priyanka, business analyst at SAP with a teaching experience of 18 years. Professor Shivam, B.Tech in Mechanical Engineering with a teaching experience of 7 years. Admissions open for academic year 2020-2021. You can reach us via the following contact details. Hurry up! Only 20 seats per batch. P.A.S. Private Tutorials. Passion for education.